*** Starting a digital marketing business in Dubai. Startup business ideas **. Dubai, a global hub for business and innovation, offers an excellent environment for entrepreneurs looking to venture into the digital marketing industry. With its dynamic economy, diverse consumer base, and government support for startups, Dubai presents numerous opportunities for those aiming to establish a successful digital marketing business. If you're considering diving into this field, here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started. **1. Conduct market research **. Before launching your digital marketing business, it's crucial to understand the local market dynamics, consumer behavior, and competition. Conduct thorough market research to identify potential niches, target audiences, and emerging trends in Dubai's digital landscape. **2. Develop a business plan **. Create a detailed business plan outlining your company's goals, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing approach, and financial projections. A well-crafted business plan will serve as a roadmap for your venture and help attract investors or secure financing if needed. **3. Choose a legal structure **. Decide on the legal structure for your business, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company (LLC), or corporation. Each structure has its advantages and implications in terms of liability, taxation, and regulatory requirements, so choose one that aligns with your long-term goals. *4. Register your business **. Register your digital marketing business with the relevant authorities in Dubai. This typically involves obtaining a trade license, registering your company name, and complying with any industry-specific regulations or licensing requirements. *5. Build your team **. Assemble a talented team of professionals with expertise in various aspects of digital marketing, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content creation, graphic design, and analytics. Invest in training and professional development to ensure your team stays updated with the latest industry trends and technologies. *6. Define your services *. Determine the range of services your digital marketing agency will offer, such as SEO audits, social media management, pay-per-click advertising, email marketing, content marketing, website development, and analytics reporting. Tailor your services to meet the specific needs of your target clients in Dubai. *7. Establish your online presence *. Create a professional website and develop a strong online presence through social media channels, professional networking platforms, and industry forums. Showcase your expertise, portfolio of work, client testimonials, and case studies to attract potential clients and differentiate your business from competitors. *8. Network and collaborate *. Network with other businesses, industry professionals, and organizations in Dubai to build relationships, gain referrals, and explore collaboration opportunities. Attend industry events, conferences, and workshops to stay connected with the latest developments and forge strategic partnerships. *9. Focus on client satisfaction *. Prioritize client satisfaction by delivering high-quality services, maintaining open communication, and exceeding expectations. Build long-term relationships with your clients based on trust, transparency, and results-driven performance. *10. Stay compliant and adaptive *. Stay informed about regulatory changes, industry standards, and best practices in digital marketing to ensure compliance and adaptability. Continuously monitor your performance, analyze data, and adjust your strategies to stay ahead in Dubai's competitive market. By following these steps and leveraging the vibrant business ecosystem in Dubai, you can successfully launch and grow your digital marketing business. Remember, persistence, innovation, and a customer-centric approach are key to achieving sustainable success in the dynamic world of digital marketing. For additional guidance and consultation on starting your digital marketing business in Dubai, feel free to contact us at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058. Our team of experts is here to assist you every step of the way. Disclaimer: the information provided in this article is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute professional advice. Readers are advised to consult with relevant experts and authorities before making any business decisions. I don't have access to real-time data, and my knowledge is based on information available up to September 2021. Therefore, I can't provide you with the current list of the top 50 digital marketing companies in India. However, I can suggest some well-known digital marketing agencies that were prominent at that time. Please verify their current rankings and status by conducting online research. Business inquiry now. +919864855058. +919864170343. 1. WebChutney. 2. What Consult. 3. Iprospect India. 4. Performix India. 5. Foxymoron. 6. Social Beat. 7. BC Webwise. 8. Pinstorm. 9. Mirum India. 10. Athenos Digital Marketing. 11. Interactive Avenues. 12. Resultrix. 13. GoZoop. 14. Ad Syndicate. 15. Langur. 16. Indigo Consulting. 17. AdGlobal 360. 18. Blogworks. 19. TechShoe. 20. Blink Digital. 21. Rapindia. 22. Dentsu WebChutney. 23. What Consult. 24. Adlift. 25. What Consult. 26. Shootida. 27. Performix, Convonix. 28. InnoServe Digital. 29. Windchimes Communications. 30. Agnity Digital Services. 31. Foxymoron. 32. Everymedia. 33. GoZoop. 34. Fruitbowl Digital. 35. What Consult. 36. Resultrix. 37. The Minimalist. 38. iGenero. 39. TechMagnate. 40. O3MDM. 41. Athenos Digital Marketing. 42. White Rivers Media. 43. Social Beat. 44. Ad Syndicate. 45. Postbox Communications. 46. Tonic Media. 47. LIQVD Asia. 48. Malanlo Lintas Groups Linteractive. 49. BizValve. 50. Fruitbowl Digital. Please keep in mind that the digital marketing industry is dynamic, and rankings can change over time as new agencies emerge and existing ones evolve. It's a good idea to research the most current information when looking for the top digital marketing companies in India. भारत में लीड जनरेशन कंपनी क्या आप एक समर्पित टीम देख रहे हैं? ***** क्या आप एक विश्वसनीय लीड जनरेशन कंपनी की तलाश में हैं जिसमें एक समर्पित टीम है? कृपया आगे पढ़ें. **** हमारी सेवाएं और प्रस्ताव. 1. लक्षित लीड जनरेशन. हम आपके व्यापार की आवश्यकताओं के अनुसार लीड जनरेशन में विशेषज्ञ हैं. 2. समर्पित टीम समर्थन. हमारी टीम यह सुनिश्चित करने के लिए समर्पित समर्थन प्रदान करने के लिए समर्थ है कि आपको पूरे प्रक्रिया के दौरान. 3. उच्च गुणवत्ता वाले लीड्स. हम आपके व्यापार को बढ़ावा देने के लिए उच्च गुणवत्ता वाले लीड्स प्रदान करने पर केंद्रित हैं. 4. अनुकूलित समाधान. हमारे समाधान आपकी विशिष्ट व्यापार आवश्यकताओं के साथ समर्थित करने के लिए अनुकूलित हैं. मुफ्त परामर्श. हमारी समर्पित टीम के साथ आपके लीड जनरेशन प्रयासों को बढ़ाने के संभावनाओं की जांच करें. हमसे मुफ्त परामर्श के लिए +919864855058 पर संपर्क करें और जानें कि हमारी सेवाएं आपके व्यापार को कैसे लाभान्वित हो सकती हैं. ****Lead Generation Company in India, are you looking for a dedicated team? ***** Are you searching for a reliable lead generation company with a dedicated team? Look no further. ***** Our services and offerings. ***** 1. ***** Targeted lead generation. ***** We specialize in generating leads tailored to your business needs. 2. ***** Dedicated team support. ***** Our team is committed to providing you with dedicated support throughout the process. 3. ***** Quality leads. ***** We focus on delivering high quality leads to boost your business. 4. Customized solutions. Our solutions are customized to align with your specific business requirements. Free consultation. Explore the possibilities of enhancing your lead generation efforts with our dedicated team. Get in touch for a free consultation at +919864855058 and discover how our services can benefit your business. इंट्रोडक्शन. इंडिया हिंदी. नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में. मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं. इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूँ और यहाँ हूँ ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। Globe *** English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing की दुनिया. I am Turlav Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।